If AnyDesk is not connecting to the network, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can solve the problem quickly. This issue is often caused by corrupted app files, leftover data, or a bad installation, and the good news is that you can usually fix it by fully removing AnyDesk and starting fresh. So if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos like this. Let's get into it. First, we're going to completely uninstall AnyDesk from your computer. To do that, press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the field, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. This will open the list of installed programs on your Windows PC. Now scroll through the list and find AnyDesk. Once you see it, right-click on it and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts that appear on the screen and make sure you remove the software completely. This step is important because if the program is partially installed or damaged, it can cause network connection errors. After uninstalling AnyDesk, the next step is to delete the leftover app data. Sometimes, even after removing the program, old settings and configuration files are still stored on your computer, and these files can continue causing the same connection issue. To remove them, press Windows and R again to open the Run box. This time, type %appdata% and click OK or press Enter. A folder window will open with application data files stored on your system. Look for the AnyDesk folder in that location. When you find it, right-click the folder and select Delete. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the deletion. This clears out the old configuration files that may be interfering with AnyDesk's ability to connect properly. Now that AnyDesk has been removed and the leftover files have been deleted, the next thing you need to do is restart your computer. This is an important step because restarting helps Windows fully refresh all the changes you just made. So go ahead and restart your PC, then wait patiently for Windows to load completely. Once your system is back on, the old AnyDesk data will no longer be active, and you'll be in a much better position to reinstall the app or test the connection again. If you still use AnyDesk after this, you can reinstall it fresh and sign in again, but in many cases, simply removing the app data and restarting is enough to fix the network issue. This method works because it eliminates corrupted files that may have been blocking the connection in the first place. It's a clean reset, and for a lot of users, that is exactly what AnyDesk needs. So to recap, you first uninstalled AnyDesk, then deleted the AnyDesk folder from AppData, and finally restarted your computer. That's the full fix for AnyDesk not connecting to the network in a simple and safe way. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.